140 miles an hour. I am done with all of you. And I'm now taking away each of your privileges to drive. And if I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time that you drive. Do you understand?
3 guys, 3 luxury cars, 140 miles per hour on a public highway. July 14th, 2024. West Park Tollway in Harris County, Texas. Posted speed limit, 65. Kevin Garza, Rafael Vidal, and Leaire all walked into Judge David Fleischer's courtroom charged with racing on a highway. Up to 6 months in jail and a $2,000 fine. But what they did was so reckless, the judge didn't wait for sentencing to hand down consequences. Here's what happened.
This is Kevin Garza and
Okay.
Rafael Vidal.
Are you representing both of them?
Judge, I'm helping David pause on Rafael.
Okay. So the first one is,
First one is Kevin Garza. This is Rafael Vidal. This is Mr. Garza.
There's also a third co-defendant.
so Garza, you said Vital or?
That's Kevin, Judge. I'm sorry, Your Honor?
No. The other two are Locklear and Vital, right?
Yes, this is Vital.
Vital.
I'm here on Locklear, Your Honor.
You want to bring them up? Okay. You mind bringing them up?
Sure.
So Victoria, this is the
Yes.
co-defendant.
We have Garza, Vital, and Locklear, all three.
Come on up, guys. All right, so you're Kevin Garza, Mr. Garza, and Mr. Vital, and Mr. Locklear. All of you guys are charged with racing on a highway. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
Undercover officers spotted a white Audi and a white Chevy Camaro slowing down to about 30 miles per hour in a 65 zone. Then they launched. Both cars accelerated to 140 miles per hour. That was Leaire and Garza. They later admitted to racing each other. But there was a second incident. 3 cars this time, a red BMW M3, the white Camaro, and the Audi. All 3 lined up side by side going eastbound on the tollway at 60 miles per hour. Then they all hit the gas at the same time. All 3 shot past 120 miles per hour. The BMW driver was Rafael Vidal.
Garza and Locklear were stopped by the same officer, so I'm going to do them first and then move to
Sure.
Vital.
Okay.
On July 14th, 2024, undercover officers observed a white Audi and a white Chevrolet Camaro engage in a rolling dragging race by slowing down at approximately 8750 West Park Tollway in Harris County to 30 miles per hour in a 65 zone and accelerate to approximately 140 miles per hour in a
140. Which one did 140?
This one was Locklear and Garza in the rolling drag race. A marked patrol vehicle conducted a traffic stop on the vehicles, and defendant Carson Locklear was the driver of the Chevy Camaro, and defendant Kevin Garza was the driver of the car. Both defendants stated they knew when they got pulled over and admitted to racing each other on West Park Tollway. And then moving to Vital. On July 14th, deputies conducted a traffic stop on a red 2011 BMW M3 for racing on the highway. Prior to the traffic stop, undercover deputies observed 3 suspect vehicles, the red 2011 BMW M3 and the white Chevy Camaro SS and the Audi RS5 traveling side by side eastbound on West Park Tollway, maintaining a speed of 60 miles per hour while side by side, and then kept their vehicles aligned to begin the drag race. All 3 vehicles then simultaneously accelerated to speeds well over 120 miles per hour in the drag race competition to outdistance and outgain each other. The posted speed limit was 65, and deputies conducted a traffic stop on the red BMW M3, and the driver was Rafael Vital, the defendant.
The judge found probable cause, and then he did something immediate. He revoked all driving privileges for all 3 defendants, right there. No more driving, period.
"140 miles an hour. I am done with all of you, and I'm now taking away each of your privileges to drive. And if I find that you drive, I will have a contempt hearing. You will be facing an additional 6 months in jail and a $500 fine every single time that you drive. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I don't care what your excuse is. I don't care where you're going. I don't care if you're hauling baby cats to a damn funeral. What your excuse is. If I find that you drive for any reason, each of you will be doing a substantial amount of time in jail. Each time you drive, it's an offense in and of itself, punishable by 6 months in jail, and I can stack it. Do you understand?
He made them come up and sign a promise that they wouldn't drive. But Rafael Vidal got special treatment. This was his second racing case. The judge ordered him not to smoke weed or drink alcohol and sent him downstairs for a drug test immediately. The judge said he was surprised Vidal's car hadn't already been seized because Texas legislators made it very easy for district attorneys to take cars from people who keep doing this.
Mr. Vital, this is your second racing case. I swear to you on everything that's holy, if you get in a car behind the wheel for any reason, there will be HE double hockey sticks to pay. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering you not to smoke weed, consume alcohol, and I'm sending you now for a drug test. Do you understand? Tracy, he goes down now. Both of you now, you other two, if I find that you drive for any reason, I will lose my shice. And I'm telling you now, our jails are crowded, but they're not so crowded to have you. And I'm going to tell you another thing. The legislature's made it very easy for district attorneys across the state of Texas to take cars from individuals who continue to do this. I'm surprised, Pavel, did they seize your car, Mr. Vital? I'm very surprised that they haven't done that. And I will be equally surprised if they don't. But get ready. Each of you will come up here, sign this promise to me that you're not going to drive. Heed my warning. You will not get another one. Do you understand? We're going to reset your cases to give you time to work these cases out with your lawyer. Martin, I saw that you were working over there, but at that speed, I don't care where they're going. I don't care what they need to do in life. My only concern is the protection of the highways in Houston. And I'm going to do everything in my power to protect every single person. If you want to race, there are places designated in Houston for you to do it. On the Sam Houston Tollway, on 610, on 59. That's not the proper place. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right, come on. And if I find that you
140
drive,
miles per hour.
I will have
That's
a
not
contempt
racing.
hearing.
That's putting
You will
lives
be
at risk.
facing an additional
And Judge
6 months
Fleischer
in jail
made sure
and a
these three
$500
understood
fine
that their driving
every
days are
single
over
time
unless
that
they
you
want to
drive.
spend the next year
Do
in
you
jail.
understand?
Yes, sir.